Remember that when they don't specify a base, they're assuming a base of 10. So when you have a question that looks like this, log 50, but there's no base, that means log base 10 of 50, log base 10 of 25. So in order to use the rules, we only have to know that the bases are the same. So that's fine. But the beauty of using base 10s is that you can actually verify them in your calculator. So that's kind of what they're doing with example 1. They're saying, yeah, in constructing understanding, we actually established some patterns. We're going to verify those patterns now, and we'll wait to move on to the stuff that you can't verify in your calculator. Right now, we're just going to make sure we understand the basics of what we're supposed to do. So, log 50 minus log 25 can be simplified by using the rule we talked about. Now, the rule for subtraction is division. So we're going to go 50 divided by 25, which gets us 2. So the answer here is going to be log 2. And what they want us to do is verify that in our calculators. So we're going to use our calculators. And I'm not going to do this for everyone, but I'll do it for the first one. We will use the log button, and we will write in 50, close the bracket, and subtract. Use the log button again, 25, close the bracket, equals, and we have a number there, 0.301. Now we're going to verify our result by going log 2, because that's what we said it's equal to, and in fact it is the same number. What that number is really doesn't matter right now. It's just that we see that it's the same number. So we've verified with our calculator that log 50 minus log 25 equals log 2 because they equal the same number. Going through the rest of these, you can use your calculator to verify that these work. And what we're doing is establishing the patterns. Now, log 5 plus log 12 would give us 5 times 12 for our answer, because that's the established pattern. When we're adding, we multiply. So it should be log 5 times 12 is 60. Remember that when you have a 3 or a number here, coefficient, log a number, that's when we use the exponent because we're multiplying. So what we want to do there is establish 4 to the power of 3. So we should be able to write that this is log 4 to the power of 3. Now, for the most part in your book, they're going to be just fine with you leaving it as 4 to the power of 3. But if you wanted to sort it out, you could actually verify 4 to the power of 3. Well, 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. So this will also be equal to log 64. So you should be able to put in your calculator that 3 times log 4 equals, get your number, and then compare it to log of 4 to the power of 3 and log 64, and you should be able to get the same number for all of those.